The thing is, everybody loves Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card, but you need to know the best time to apply, because if you want fast approval and high limits, you got to apply at the right moment, at the right time, and with the right amount. Okay, so that's what I'm sharing with you in today's conversation.
One in a million, one in a million, one in a million. You know they're coming up to me, cause I'm just the kind of flower with a stinging killer beat, but the rhythm's getting higher. Go, 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 go. One in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million.
Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you're to ask me. If you're doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka. Now let's roll. In today's conversation, we want to talk about the Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card, the 5 best times to apply for fast approval and high limit. And here is the approach, because in everything we do, we follow a certain approach. We follow a methodology. Okay, it's very important. So the first best time to apply for a Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card is if you are pre-qualified. In other words, you get a link from Navy Fed. Okay, so you look into your dashboard, your personal dashboard, and you realize there is a link. There is a happy link, what we call happy link. Hey, you have pre-qualified for the Navy Fed Gold Rewards. Hey, listen, I don't care what your FICO score is, whether it is 800 or 300. If you get a link, a pre-qualification link from Navy Fed, you take it. Always take it. If you are pre-qualified for this Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card, you take it. You know why? You ain't losing anything. Let's face it. Let's use strict logic here. You're not losing anything. You are preserving your credit score. You're not getting a hard pull. You're getting a soft pull. So if you have pre-qualification, take it all the time. Okay. So that's the first best time to apply for fast approval and high limits. Or you have been referred. Let's say somebody in your family or somebody at work is actually send you a referral link to apply for the Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card. This happens. The thing is, people don't believe it, but it happens. It happens more often than you believe. So if you have been referred, take it. Okay, it's very important because the thing is that the referrer, the person referring you, guess what? They're getting a referral bonus, and you also, as part of the transaction, you might get a referee bonus. So whatever it is, you always want to take it. So whether you are pre-approved or referred, you always want to take it. Okay, so this is very important. This is the first best time to apply for fast approval and high limits when it comes to the Navy Federal Gold Rewards credit card. And the thing is, don't worry about being denied. You're not losing anything. I just said it, because when you are pre-qualified for a credit card, and in this particular case, the Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card, you can just test the waters, right? I mean, if they approve you, that's fine. But if they say, well, based on your current circumstances, based on the paraphernalia around your financial life, we can't approve your ass at this moment, it's fine. It's totally fine. The second best time to actually apply for this credit card, the Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card, is if you have a big purchase. Very important. When you plan on making a big ticket purchase, you want to apply for this credit card. You know why? Because you want to actually reap all the benefits and bonuses that come with the card. It's important. Okay. And the thing is that sometimes, and this is because you want to get the bonus, but you also have to make sure that you have the proper FICO score and the proper relationship with Navy Fed for that. Okay, it's really important. I mean, on this show, we are all for financial responsibility. That doesn't mean that when you have a big purchase, you should be putting all the purchase on a credit card and paying it over 5 years. No. If you're able to pay within 30 days, go ahead and do it. If you're able to pay within 60 days, go ahead and do it. But it is strategic to actually put the purchase on your Navy Fed Gold Rewards credit card. Okay, and remember that if you use your credit card for large purchases, it does affect your credit in multiple ways. The cool thing is you need to have a payment plan, because when you put a large purchase large purchase on a credit card, guess what? The first thing that matters is that your credit utilization ratio goes up, your CUR goes up, which means that your FICO score goes down. But those are temporary. If you have a plan to repay whatever purchase you charge on the card in the first place, guess what? You are basically in a smarter position. You are in a better position to actually fix the little drop that you had in your FICO score. Okay, and it's really important. And it's always a great idea to put a big purchase on a credit card if you know that you will earn rewards. Okay, if you can qualify for an intro bonus. If your Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card has a promotional rate, because let's say you have a 0% APR for 15 months or 12 months or whatnot, and they're giving you the 0% APR on purchases or balance transfers, okay? Or if your card offers purchase protections or benefits, I'm talking about extended warranties, right? Purchase protection, return protection, cell phone protection, travel insurance, trip or baggage delay coverage, rental car insurance. This is important, okay? And we have seen based on our research that sometimes when you are dealing with an emergency, it's also great to have a credit card ready that you can apply for. So big purchase is the second best time to apply for the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. The third best time to apply is if you have a balance transfer. I mean, I'm just going to say it, boss, because I'm talking to you. So if you want to get out of debt, let's say right now you're just carrying a lot of credit cards and they're just killing your ass every month with very high APR. You're talking about the 20%, 25%. And Navy Fed comes and say, hey, listen, we are basically offering 0% for the next 12 months on balance transfer. You take that. Oh, you take that. So you can actually do a balance transfer to get out of debt. Okay, so you are basically, let's say you know that you have the cash to pay whatever you charged, whatever you transferred on the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. So you have that cash ready, but you want to get the card also. So you transfer the debt onto the Navy Fed Go Rewards card, and guess what? The next month, the next billing cycle, you just pay it off. But you have the card already. Okay, now you have the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card, which is great now. So you want to use it that way. Or let's just say you have high interest debt. Yeah. So basically, you just want to transfer balances. So Navy Fed is giving you 8% or 12% or whatever, and you want to transfer the balance. And the cool thing is what we love with Navy Fed Go Rewards and all Navy Fed credit cards for that matter is they don't charge a balance transfer fee. That is so wonderful. I mean, that's magnificent, whereas PenFed, for instance, charges you a 3% balance transfer fee. Okay. And for us, when we do the calculation, a balance transfer fee always we factor that into our calculation, because you know what, a credit card issuer can tell you, hey, listen, I'll do a balance transfer for you, right? 0% for 12 months. But if they're charging you 3%, you got to account for that, because this 3% is a one-time fee. But when you annualize it, when you spread it over 1 year, this counts for a lot of money. So credit card. Right now, do you have credit cards that charges you astronomically high APR? If they do, well, maybe it's time to apply for a Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card and see if you can get a better rate, because that's the bottom line here. Okay, we need to put a stop to that sort of high interest that you are paying every month, so you can redirect the cash onto something else. And that's a strategy. You want to actually use the cash for something more productive, to increase your net worth, to whatever. I mean, to beef up your rainy day accounts. That's important. The fourth time you want to apply for a Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card is if you want to think about seasonal shopping. Okay, we are talking about end of year for Black Friday or holiday shopping. I mean, family people are in the spending mood, right? You want to spend money. Well, guess what? You can use the card. You can apply for the card at that time, because everybody is in a holiday mood, and so is Navy Fed. So they are more lenient. Now, hear me out. I'm not saying you should have like a very bad credit score and trying to use that moment to apply. No, you got to have a decent credit score. I'm talking about fair to excellent. Okay, so you can say, if you want to buy things during the holiday season and you just believe that this card can help you, you want to actually get some rewards, you want to get some perks or whatever, this is a great time to apply for the card. Or let's say, in the same spirit as seasonal as seasonal shopping. Okay, if you're planning a big event, grandpa, grandma, talking to you, boss, dad, mom, I'm talking to you. Let's say you're planning a big event, right? A wedding or a birthday shower or whatever, and you know that there are a lot of purchases that are coming, okay? And you want to consolidate all those purchases onto one card. This is a great time. This is the best time to actually apply for the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card, okay? Because you are centralizing, in essence, you are centralizing all the purchases, and you have one single payments to do afterwards. And the cool thing about consolidating all your expenses on that is that you have a simple accounting. So money. Are you planning seasonal shopping spree very soon? Do you have something going on in your family? Do you have a big event, a significant event going on? If you do, then you might want to think about it. Here is the approach you should follow. You want to charge everything systematically onto a single credit card or debit card. But here we are speaking about the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card, right? So you want to charge everything, and I mean everything regarding that event on the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. So the accounting can be simple. Okay, the repayment of those purchases can be simple. You can actually also get some rewards or perks. Okay, so it is a win-win-win situation. The fifth element where you want to apply for the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card is if you are thinking about a few events. Okay, we're talking about few events. For example, during the tax season. Okay, basically during the tax season, sometimes, you know what? You probably are anticipating and quote unquote a bad tax season. In other words, you're going to owe the IRS some chunk of cash. Okay, well, the thing is, so because of that, you are trying to save cash. You're trying to be very thrifty. You're not using your own money for a lot of things. Well, this could be a good opportunity to actually apply for this credit card. In other words, you are saving cash. So you're saving cash, which means that you are charging everything on the credit card, and your actual cash could be used to pay for whatever taxes you owe. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why a lot of folks around the country, they actually apply for the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card around tax season. Or let's say you are planning a vacation. Okay, things happen. You want to enjoy yourself. You're going to Acapulco. You're going to Punta Cana. You're going to whatever you want to go to Bali, or you're going to Las Vegas. Talk to me about that. So if you're planning a vacation, you're doing it solo or with the family, chances are you're going to spend a lot of cash, right? And the cool thing is there is no foreign transaction fee on this Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. So you really have an opportunity to apply for the card at this moment. So you have a clear idea of the benefits you can expect. Okay, if you are planning an upcoming move, this could be a good opportunity also to apply for this Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. Okay, because again, for what I just explained to you, we are talking about the centrality. We are speaking about centralizing all our expenses onto a single card for simpler accounting, for a simpler repayment process, for more benefits. Okay, so this is important. Big decision time, boss. Big decision time. Do you have a couple of events going on in your life at the moment? Things like tax season. Would you owe money the next tax season? Are you planning a vacay? Okay, are you actually planning a move? Okay, you probably were actually you got a new job. Let's say you're in New York, you got a new job in Florida, and the whole family has to move. If you're planning that, you might want to think about the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. Okay, I'll be right back. But after this, don't go anywhere. So Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. And I just give you the five best time to apply for a Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. Now I want to give you a few pro tips. This is important. So when you turn 18, this could be a great time to apply for the Navy Fed Go Rewards. However, chances are you might not be approved because your credit's too thin. I mean, Navy Fed offers a secure credit card, so they're looking at your ass and thinking, too risky. We're not accepting him or her. Okay, but I just want to say, you know what? You never know, because when you're 18, you don't have a credit score, an established credit score anyway. So it might be worth it to give it a try, especially if your parents all through those years have actually added you as an authorized user to their credit cards. That way you have some kind of credit score, or if college is starting, let's say this is your first year in uni, and you want to make sure, again, you want to centralize, you want to control, you want to monitor your expenses. It could be a great opportunity to apply. Now the cool thing is, if you don't apply yourself as a primary cardholder, you can actually be added as an authorized user onto your parents, onto your dad's or mom's credit card, Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. Okay, and you know what? They actually have a great bonuses going on every now and then. So this could be a good opportunity. And so here, the thing that I'm trying to say here is that even if you're young, or let's say you are more than 18 years old, you are an adult, okay, and you are grown up. That's what we call, where I come from, we call it grown up things, And the thing is, if you need to build or repair your credit, you can also try with Navy Fed Go Rewards. Yeah, you know why? If you have a great relationship with them on the banking side, and they know that you have multiple accounts with them, and they have known you for many years, you can actually use that relationship. You can parlay that relationship, that positive relationship, into a successful application on this credit card. Okay, so don't think that if I have a FICO score of 500 or 560 or 590, I cannot be approved. You never know. You got to give it a try first. You never know what will happen. So this is really, really important, and I want to stress that. And one thing I want to say is, when you apply, do not apply online. If you have thin credit or no credit or bad credit, you really want to apply over the phone, or better, you want to go to a branch and sit with someone and discuss. You want to explain your situation before you apply. Here is a winner strategy for you. Here is how you can increase your odds of approval for the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card. Okay, and this is a winner strategy we have been using for the last 20 years for many clients, individual and business. Okay, and the thing here is that you want to check your credit reports for errors. Even before you apply for this credit card, you basically want to check your credit report. You can go to annualcreditreport.com. We have said this time and again, this is a free report. This is a free database, and once a year you are entitled to a free copy of your credit report and score. Okay, from each of the three credit reporting agencies. I'm speaking about Experian. I'm speaking about Equifax and TransUnion. Okay, you can also check your credit score. You can monitor that credit score continually through some other platforms. Even your current credit card issuer can actually give you that as well. Okay, you can monitor your credit scores through Credit Karma. We have Wallet. We have Nerd Wallet. We have Wallet Hub. We also have CreditWise. Okay, so you have a constellation of players out there that will give you a free copy of your credit score and try to pay down outstanding balances. Okay, you want to know the credit union's rules. We're talking about Navy Fed here. It is a military financial institutions. They are run very efficiently, very positively, and they do have some rules and guidelines. Okay, or you can also become an authorized user first. What I'm trying to say here is, if you want to increase your odds of approval, maybe it's not really good to go gung-ho. You don't want to go gung-ho on the credit card itself at once. You don't want to do it first. You want to actually use somebody else's good credit to build up your own credit before you apply. Okay, and the bottom line is, I want you to know the rules. You know, you want to know the rules that surround the Navy Fed Go Rewards credit card? This is why I was talking to you about going to a branch and having a conversation with someone. Now, we hear some people say, well, when you go to a branch, a Navy Fed branch, there's nobody to welcome you. Well, this is not true. It depends on which country, or which part of the country you are. Some branches naturally are busier than others. So if you're lucky, you are in a location where the local Navy Fed is accessible. Use that opportunity. Okay, very important. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I was talking to you about Navy Fed Go Rewards, the 5 best times to apply for fast approval and high limits. So we talk about pre-qualification, big purchase, balance transfer, seasonal shopping, and events. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.